Okay friends, I've got my fishing prophylactic on. The old cheapy Walmart poncho to keep off the rain a little bit. Changed shirts, I'm dry. Drove to the other side of the lake. Gonna fish this shore for a little bit. See what I can stir up. See if the rain will ever break. I'll drive back to the boat ramp and put in the old kayak. But until then, I'm just continuing to wet a line. All right, first cast, first fish. Nice little smallie. Looks like he's been caught before. There he goes. Ooh, there's a good one. Good strong fighter. All right. Woo. All right, beauty. If you're wondering what simple little fishing rig I'm throwing here, it's just a little twirly tail grub that I've attached to a beetle spin spinner. Oh, he took flight. He took flight. Occasionally somebody will say, you need a better rod. Why don't you get some kind of Dobbins or something like that? Well, number one, oh, this is a pretty dandy smallmouth for here. Number one, I'm a cheapskate. Number two, I received this Shakespeare ugly stick from my dad, so it's got some sentimental value to me. There's times when a rod will certainly, it's a good 10, 11 inch fish. There's times when a fancy rod will do you better in certain circumstances, especially if you're finesse fishing. If you want to do your tournament fishing with your fancy rods and reels, more power to you. I'm just out having a good time. Okay, we retied. I'm going to fish this point. Keep an eye on the weather, but it has stopped raining. The wind's starting to come in. I'm going to give it a few more minutes. Oh, but man, there's some good fish over here. And I might put the boat in. They're liking this point. They're liking this point. There we go. Best one of the day so far. That's probably 2-3-year-old fish. 11 inches maybe. If the best reel you can afford is a $400 or $500 combo, and that's what you want to do, go for it. If the best reel you can afford is a 12-year-old or 13-year-old is a $30 Walmart combo, that's okay. In fact, growing up, I caught a lot of fun fish on the old Zebco 202, so I'm not winning tournaments here, I'm just having a good time. Ooh! Oh! I found a flat, I tell you that. What you throwing there, a Ned rig? No, beetle spin. What? Yeah, I'm not catching 18 inchers, but sure am having a good time. Oh my goodness. On this point, it is a fish every cast. Well, I think the weather's holding. I think the weather might be holding. Oh, here comes the rain. The rain's back. Wow. That's rain. Fish don't care though, they're already wet. Woo! Oh, that one's got some weight to it. That might be a 12-incher. Maybe even a little bigger. Whoa! Bring him in here. Bring him in here. Yep, that's a nice solid 12 or 13. I'm saying 12. All right. What's he got coming out of his gills there? What is this action here? What is that? Huh. A worm maybe? Tapeworm? I don't know. I'm all wet. At least below my hips, I'm all wet. There's another one. Oh, Sonny. Sonny, look at this beautiful Sonny. Gorgeous little guy. He's a fat boy. Beautiful. Look how pretty he is. All right, I just switched batteries. The rain continues. I don't know if I'm ever going to get out on the boat today, but I am catching fish and having a good time. I don't know what kind of footage this might be at all, but this is a fish every cast on this point. The rain is just coming down, and the fish, they don't care. And I don't care, and they don't care. That was the first cast in about 10 casts that didn't have a fish on the end. The humble old beetle spin is doing its work. I got a towel in the car. I got some shorts in the car. I'll dry off later. Let's catch some fish. Oh, right there in front of me. In that shallow water. Right there in front of me. Another little guy. Ooh. I'm missing fish now because my fingers are wet and slipping off the reel. That's another solid Enterprise Smallie. 12 inches or so. I'll put on top water. Let's see if I can get some top water action out there. Ooh! Fooled him. The old torpedo. Smallies love the torpedo. There we go. Pretty good fish. Yeah. Yeah, that's a pretty good fish for Enterprise. Whoa, he got me all wet. That's fun. Ooh! Right there in front of me, that even spooked me. I jolted on that one. The old fishing jump scare. Gotta love that on the top water. Alright. Time to get some lunch and to rethink the plan.